Have you ever seen a frog so tiny, so brilliantly painted, it looks like it leapt straight out of a rainbow? Meet the rainbow rain frog. Stay with me because this little creature is full of extraordinary surprises. Up close, its skin glistens with a kaleidoscope of colors: reds, yellows, greens, and blues. Each scale-like bump reflects light like wet jewels. Its large eyes, flecked with gold, scan the forest floor for prey. Unlike most frogs, this one skips the tadpole stage. With direct development, its eggs hatch straight into froglets, perfectly adapted to mountain rainforests. Its padded toes grip moss with astonishing precision. When it hunts, its tongue shoots out with lightning speed, snaring unsuspecting insects. But beauty isn't its only gift. By feeding on insects, it balances the rainforest ecosystem. Scientists even study its skin, searching for compounds that could unlock new medicines. The rainbow rain frog, small, dazzling, and full of power. So next time you picture the rainforest, think of this living rainbow, a jewel with a heartbeat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden wonders. The rainbow rain frog, a tiny treasure with big secrets. What's your favorite fact about these amazing amphibians? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video.